Welcome to the Team Corrali one-page manual video series. For best results, download the PDF file from the link below before watching.
Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to reassemble this left chassis side. It might be one of the easiest steps in the whole reassembling of this car. But before you watch this video, please check this one. It contains all of the basic information of how to work on this very car. Before we move to step number one, remember you need to take out the whole battery compartment. Actually, you do not have to take it completely outside because the ESC cable do not interfere with the side brace. You only need to take out the button for the ESC. But basically you will be able to work your way out and take all of those screws out with only lifting the battery compartment. I already took it off because it's way clearer on the video, so you will be able to see what screws I'm taking out. But I'm almost sure that you will be able to work your way out without taking the whole battery compartment out. Starting with step number one, I highlighted as a separate step because it's quite normal, I guess, to forget about this one little screw that holds this plastic side from the bottom. Step number two and final, you need to remove all of the screws from the side. So we are all done. As you can see, the whole plastic side is now in your hand. It is very simple, and basically you would like to do it to clean the dust and debris collected between the connection. Of course, if you want to assemble it back to the car, simply reverse the steps. But before you start, I want to highlight one thing. Those screws, the little one, comes directly through the plastic to the metal chassis, and the thread is in the chassis, so use a little bit of thread lock to secure them and keep them in place. So that will be it, guys. As you can see, it's a fairly easy task when you, of course, remove the battery compartment first. That will be it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos like this and also more complicated ones. Follow Team Corrali on Facebook and Instagram. And of course, if you need any help, please contact us via support@corrali.com. And if you want to check this car and any other amazing car in our lineup, please check word.corrali.com, when you can find way more details, specification, videos and photos of each and every car in our lineup. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.
Team Corrali, engineered to be the fastest.